All right, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing an open box and review of the Karcher K1700 electric power washer. I've got a lot of high hopes for this product. It's reasonably priced and has some specs that say it's going to work awesome. Right off the bat, we're going to put it to the test though. What are they claiming it'll do versus what it'll really do? That's the question. All right, so we got a cleaning patio furniture. I'm pretty sure that's going to go pretty easy. Washing the car with a few modifications to be situated for our detailing business. We're going to be able to wash the car pretty effectively. Power washing a deck. We're going to take it outside, put it to the test to see if it'll blow that dirt off of that old wood that's laying around. Clean the stone patio. I know from experience it takes a lot of pressure from my gas pressure washer to get that thing clean. I'm kind of anxious to see what this will do, because if it does all these things, it's going to be the perfect around the house pressure washer because it's quiet, it's electric, low to no maintenance. Let's get this box open and see what we got inside. All right off the bat, we got the owner's manual and warranty card. We're just gonna go ahead and wing it like we do everything else, but wing it right now, don't get me wrong. Looks like the packaging is good. It's got little shock absorbers to keep it from getting beat up in transit. Oh, and it's super lightweight. Lightweight's good. We're trying to carry it around the property or carrying it to a detail area. We want it to be light and easy to get around. Put these fittings on the side for now. All right, and there it is. Dun, dun, dun. The Cube Karcher pressure washer. So let's finish opening up the box here. Get all the parts out so we can take a good look at what's going on. Looks like we got the spray gun, spray wand, sprayer hose. All right, so let's take a look at this overall. Very nice looking design, very lightweight like we talked about. We got the on off switch on the front. It's going to be very handy. Press it down with your foot so you can hands free that one. Right up here we got soap, a detergent area to add the mixture where we can be dispersing soap right out of the wand. I don't think I'm going to use that if ever. We have other things we can make work for that. All right, well, let's get this put together and take a look at all the pieces and see what we got going on here. So right off the bat, let's look at the power cord. Power cord is really important. What we want is to be able to reach the closest outlet to where we're working with, preferably not an extension cord. Gonna walk this off. I would say that it's roughly about 20 feet, but it's guaranteed long enough to reach a good power outlet anywhere around your house and get to the site to where we're working. So that's a good thing. Hey. Pressure washer hose. So on the front we have the water outlet. Get that screwed on. Next, sprayer gun. Wand. Just push in and turn 90 degrees and there it is. And on the end we have a quick disconnect, which is nice for applying these fittings. So let's go ahead and get the fittings out. Got the turbo nozzle on. Different degree fittings. Easy on, easy off, and actually they store right here on top. So this just looks like a straight through, wide open. So you're just trying to like clean something that requires a ton of water. So put these up there. Okay, our next fitting is the garden hose. So what this does is the water inlets on the side here. This converts a normal plumbing fitting into a garden hose connection. So we'll screw this on the side. That will enable us just to put the garden hose right in there. All right, so that's pretty much all it took to get it put together. That was quick, easy, pretty straightforward. It's all put together, it's ready to go. Let's go put it to the test now and see what it'll do. That's the big question. All right. Okay, so now the $130 question. Is this pressure washer any good for what we're trying to do with it? I would say overall, yes. It is a light duty pressure washer. We cleaned the patio with it. We blew off some aged wood out front. We pressure washed a car with it. And all in all, I would say that those before and afters kind of speak for themselves. You know, it's not a 3,000 PSI gas pressure washer, but it is very quiet. You can use it at all hours of the day and even late into the evening without upsetting any neighbors. Overall, good little pressure washer. I recommend it. And some of the things, let's talk about some of the things that I didn't like about it. I feel like that for the long haul, this hose is kind of very stiff. It requires a lot of unfolding and unkinking. I mean, you can obviously see that I have a solution for that over here, so I'm not worried about it. But overall, thumbs up. I like it. You'll like it. But if you're going to be doing commercial jobs, big, giant stuff, probably go with the gas pressure washer. Around the house, keeping the property nice, keeping the car clean. Even I would say using it routinely is fine on the car. But if I was trying to do like 8,000 square foot of pavers, this isn't the tool. All right, so if you want to see more cool videos like this, click the like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions about the Karcher. I did put it through some extensive testing, and this is just the beginning. I'm going to hook it up here on my detailing setup. And I have an upgraded wand, upgraded nozzle, upgraded hose, upgraded everything. And I'm just going to basically use the pump. I'm going to paint it up so it matches everything nice and looks killer. And you can stop back later and see a video, and you'll see all this stuff in my garage working on the car, because I think that's what really it's going to work really well for. All right. See you next time.